Guys, welcome back to another video I'm making on this Hyundai Sonata. This time I'm going to change the oil. So if you're into this, it's very simple, okay? It doesn't have to be this vehicle or any vehicle. The changing oil is very simple. So all you do is know what oil grade that you need. The handbook will tell you, or you can just Google it and it'll tell you. Like for example, this car, it's 530. So that's what I bought at Walmart, and I've already have some tools. So one of them will fit the drain plug, and then you'll need something for the to get the oil filter out. This or this, and I've had this for a long time. So it's an extension like this, and you use a ratchet, and so it will get the get it out. So basically that's all you need, and then you need something like this to capture the oil. Okay, and then what you also do, you go to your vehicle and you loosen up the oil cap so air can get through, and so that would speed up the drainage. Okay, so also it is very important that you start the car for about 5 minutes or less, but at least get the oil warm up enough so it can more of it can drain out. Okay, again, we never 100% drain our engine out of the oil out of the engine. There's always some left, but if you start the engine and make the oil hot, then more of it will come out. Okay, we'll do it now. Under the car, and now you can see there's that plastic cover, and so the F the oil filter is in there. Okay, you just have to get the wrench, the tool in there, and to loosen it up and get it out. And it's a little bit of bad design because once you remove the the oil filter, then we'll get some oil. It's gonna be falling on the on this here, and that's why you see that it's all greasy. It's from past oil change. A bit further down, it's the where you drain the engine. Okay, yeah. So this is it. Very easy, very easy. So I'm done changing the oil. So I didn't show you guys that process because it's so simple. And so now it's also good to check the filter, the engine air filter, and so it's easy to find, and this is it here. And if it's really dirty, you buy another one. But if not, it's something that you can actually pull out and clean it yourself. What I got inside the box. And this is what the filter looks like. The filter is good. That's the top filter. That's where the air, the intake for the air, and then the out here, and then it goes through this part here, and then inside the engine. I'm done with the air filter, and every other fluid is topped off. So this is the brake for the brake master cylinder, okay, and then transmission. So this is a 2009. It's still equipped with a transmission dipstick. So this is okay. There's a dipstick for this, and then so that's for the dipstick for the engine, okay, and that's where we put the oil. And this is for the windshield. You can see the logo or emblem of the windshield, and this is the antifreeze, and so make sure that it is top off to the line. But other than that, there's no other liquid. Now the AC takes a little while to cool, so I will have to add a little bit of Freon to it. That's just because I want to do that. Finally, we are inside, and I'm going to do the cabin air filter. So see, generally they are in the where the glove compartment is. So you'll have to get that, okay, on the side. Every car is different, but you push that out. Okay, this one is already out, but this one, okay, then it comes down, and then this is where it is. Dealership, other places will charge you a lot of money, but this is where it is, okay? And look like every car is different in how it is, and so these are the clips. You see the clips? The clips, it tells you how to get this is the front, and to get that out. So let me do that off camera, because I don't have anyone to hold the camera for me. But this is the clips you will mess with to get that cover out. Okay, so I got it out, and then so this is the filter, the cabin air filter, and then now let me pull it out, and you'll see. Oh, obviously the previous owner has been on top of his game, because it's not all that dirty. So which means that it had been replaced in the past 20,000 miles. It's dirty, but not all that dirty. Yeah, look. Yeah. That's from tree saps, not tree saps, but trees and stuff. So see, I just do this. Don't have to buy another one, because it's clean. So I'm just going to put this one back in the car. Okay. Yeah, just the same way it came in. You see, we go and then we put it like this. The same way. The same way. There we go. Just like that. And then, and this is the cover. We'll do that off camera. It is back on. Okay, so I snapped the this back. Okay, so there we go. So air filter, it's fine. And then now let me put all the stuff that belongs in here back in here, and we're good. So you see, now you learn how to change your the air filter, the cabin air filter.